Well, hello, it's Bears back. As you can see, we got a package in from our good friend Chaz's lock picking. Chaz, I'll put a link to his channel below in the description. He's newer. He's got like about, I don't know, I think about 55 subscriptions so far. If you can get over there and give him some love, I'd appreciate it. He's up and coming picker. He's doing really well at picking. I can't wait to see him graduate into the challenge locks and get breaking them open and everything, and making his own. That'll be really cool. So I cut the end of this open. Let's get into this. I don't know. Oh, by the way, I thought he was just going to send a couple of things. This package is heavier than crud. I don't think I've put this much weight in any package before. Oh my goodness gracious. Are you kidding me? That is beautiful. That is fantastic. Holy crud. I can't believe that, dude. Wow, that is awesome. It really is. I'll figure it out later. You can feel it's opening. I just can't use both my hands right now. I'm inept. Wow. We got a twisty tie. And I can't believe you sent that, dude. I don't know, man. I guess I'm gonna have to get with let me see what we got going on here. Oh, American. Yeah. Series 1205. You betcha. Not a challenge lock, but a little more fun than your average American padlock. All right. Well, we'll give her a shot. You betcha. I'll do that one on camera too. Even though I've done them before, I think I'll do that one just special. Have to probably get a hold of Andy Mack and try to figure out how to get something to pick that. I don't know. Uh-oh. See, I can't even work a twisty tie. That's how talented I am. Says a lot about a man. Okay, what do we got here? I'm trying to get light on this. I can't even read that. PA. Is that a P? AIZ? Is it on the key somewhere? No, it's an Ilko key. Man, that's cute. Ah, nice. Nice bidding on it, too. Oh, yeah. Double-sided. This is so cool. It's such a cute little lock. Man, you get something like this, you don't cut that in half. You just don't. We got 7240 Abus. Yes, sir. These are great. You bet. Nice. Stock like Sunday. I feel you coming. And we got a Mossberg. Mossberg gun lock. Cool. Oh, uh-oh. Sorry about hitting that. Oh, another Abus 7230. You bet. It's just a smaller version of the other one. I actually tried getting one of those once. It was a nightmare. Uh-oh, I lost the box. Let's get the rest out, and then I can lose the box totally. Wow. This is twisty tie heaven here. You did this because you wanted to see if I could work a twisty tie, didn't you? That's just cruel to me. Oh, Mindy, you know what? I watched everybody else play with these, and I've never gotten a Mindy yet. Wow. Yeah, dimple. A smiley. Ooh, I haven't done a smiley yet. Sweet. Can't wait to try it. All right. Fantastic, buddy. Shoot. I'll have to make that up to you. Oh, I got something coming your way anyway. That's right. I shouldn't have told you that, but I already told you that. Oh, round and round and round we go. All right, it's kicking my butt. I'll admit it. Yeah, Chaz's number 3. All right. Oh, he is making challenge locks now. Fantastic. Oh yeah. It feels like there's a. It feels like there's either a pin in pin or a T-pin in there somewhere. I'm not sure where. I'm thinking probably going to be right around there. It's where it feels like it's at. It feels like it's right here in the back. Very cool, very cool. All right, thanks, pal. I really appreciate it. You didn't have to send any of this, buddy. I'm really thankful. I appreciate it, and we're gonna have some fun with this stuff. Thank you so much, buddy. Like I said, I'm gonna have a package coming out to you too again. It's just a little makeup package that I didn't get in there before. So don't expect a whole lot, but you know, thanks, and thanks to everybody for watching, and stay legal and have fun. Bye.